You start to type and it's appearing Arabic numbers. In a minute I will show you how to turn this into this. Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today I will show you how to change Arabic numbers to Latin one or English. It's a very common issue if laptop was bought in one of the Arabic countries. Sometimes even when you're typing in English, appearing Arabic numbers. I will show you what to do in this situation. Basically, you have to find on the right corner character. On the right down corner, you will press 3 dots. Then you have to find left to right characters. After it, you have to go to digits and press LCR. It's mean left to right. And also, I will show you the second way how you can find it. You have to go to window. Okay. You will find type, character, and basically it will open for you the same panel what we had before. On the right up corner, press 3 lines, and basically you have to do the same what we did before. So you're pressing these 3 lines and then you will find left to right. Then you're going to digits and you have to change to LTR, same how we did before. So basically that's it. Let's see how it's look like by typing few numbers. And now you know how to convert Arabic numbers to Latin one or English. If you like this video, press like and subscribe, and more videos with the life hacks for Illustrator coming soon. Thank you for watching!